Prynhawn da Cyngor Wrexham, good afternoon Wrexham Council, Catrin yn siarad. Dwi'n gweithio yn yr adran Cymraeg yma yn Cyngor Wrexham. And when I left school, I just thought I'll never use my Welsh language ever again. And at the time, the only jobs that were really available or standing out to me did have either Welsh Essential or they wanted someone with the knowledge of Welsh language.
Well, I think using Welsh has influenced my own career a lot, really. There's a tendency for Welsh speakers at all levels to think that their Cymraeg is terrible. You know, fast forward to now and I'm using Cymraeg every day, in my dreams, in my sleep. Does ddim angen I ti bod yn Cymraeg perffaith. A da ni eisiau Cymraeg sgwrsiol, Cymraeg sy'n cael ei defnyddio o dydd i ddydd.
Dwi'n gweithio gyda pob adran yma yn y Cyngor a dwi'n helpu nhw gyda translations nhw.
To be able to be involved in things like Focus Wales Music Festival and things like the National Eisteddfod, of course, we hosted last year, regularly having film crews because of the Hollywood connection, and anything's possible with this role at the moment, to be honest with you. Unrhyw sgiliau Cymraeg sydd gennych chi yn mynd I bod o fantais, newch yn siŵr bod ti'n rhoi ar y cais.